Hello everyone, welcome to part 9 of KubePwn Kubernetes Red and Blue Team series. In this video, till now we have compromised the Kubernetes web application. So we have landed onto the Kubernetes pod on which the web application is running, and we are trying to extract. We are trying to enumerate the pod on which we have landed. Like what type of Kubernetes cluster this is, and and what exactly we can do with this Kubernetes cluster, and so on. So we will start with exploring more. In this video, we will try to extract certain credentials and certain things and what exactly we can do with this. Okay, so let's start by by looking for if there are certain environments or variables and that sort of files in this Kubernetes cluster. Let it run. So just wait for a few minutes. It will find out all the environment files that we have. So let's find out what exactly in this uh, environment file stores, because that is very critical information. Sometimes we get those type of environment variables set, which can be tokens, secrets, and those sort of things. So in this, we can see there is a command that has been run, kubelet kubelet arguments with minus container runtime running under a container.d, which is the node IP, and node labels minus prod infra container registry, and it is running under the kubepwn control plane. Okay. Let's try to find out if we can find out any secret file name or secret somewhere inside the root directory. Let's look for it. So we have a lot of secrets file. You can go and start exploring it. So I will just show you one file, or I can show you, you can look for any of the secrets which are being stored in this file. I'll show you, this Python one, shorter. Let's look what exactly is stored in this pod. So I will do cat. This, it is a directory. So I'll do this, and I will do ls. Let me check what this is. Oops, it's not there. So ls this is also a directory. Nothing is there. Let me see what exactly is in there. Let's check what exactly inside this. Okay, and we got another and all clear. So even in this, there is nothing. Okay, let's look for token. Don't worry, in the lab guide you will get all the commands there. I'm just copy and pasting from lab guide only. Let's look if we have some tokens. If we get a lot of tokens somewhere. There is also token.py. There is a header file with token. Nothing of that use. Clear it out. Let me check if there is any stored password inside this container. Okay, we get a lot of name with pass. You can try with password actually. If that is there, we can look for what exactly this is. Oh, there is a pam.d file. This looks interesting. So this is the PAM configuration shadow password service. If you common password, we can look for this. And I can, let me just run if there is a stored environment variable with something called as pass. Nothing over there. We can also check for the Docker socket, which is var run docker.sock. No such directory. So we didn't get anything. So sometimes when we land onto the Kubernetes cluster, uh, identifying the need, many times the configuration administrators or the Kubernetes administrators, they tend to store a lot of credentials on the directories, files, and all. So running this is definitely sometimes give a lot of hands-on. Once I was doing Red Team, not Kubernetes, basically the machine that was provided to me by the organization. There was a password stored in one of the files that was the RDP password. I took the RDP to that particular server and boom, I dumped the LSS by bypassing the EDR. Once I dumped the LSS, I got the domain admin credentials. Okay, so this is why the such things are very important. So whenever you land onto any machine, you always look for passwords, secrets, tokens, and RDP files, session, SSH keys, and also. So that's all for this video. We will look for privilege checks in the next video. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.